This video is about how to monetize your YouTube channel, or more specifically, how I fixed my issue of the monetization approval process, step 2 in progress. I'm Sean and this is MakerBay. Normally my channel is about woodworking and making and things like that, but I figured if I had this issue in the monetization process, people out there probably are as well. So I decided to make this video to show how I fixed my issues, hoping it can help you. My channel was stuck at step 2 in progress for 10 months. That is bananas. For a normal monetization approval process, step 2 should take about 2 days. If you found my video, then your channel probably already meets the monetization requirements and you've gotten stuck at the same part that I did. I'm going to tell you to the best of my ability how and where I believe I messed things up in my approval process and what I did to resolve it. I can't promise that worked for me is going to work for you, but I sure hope it does. Okay, let's get into it. Once my channel met the requirements, I started the process, and step 1, of course, was super easy. No issues there. You just agree to all the terms and conditions and then move on. So right away, my dashboard said step 1 was done. I think it was done within a day or so. For step 2 of the monetization process, you have to connect to an AdSense account. And for me, here's where I think things went off the rails and got all messed up. You have the option to connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one. I had never had a monetized website or anything like that, so I didn't have an AdSense account. So I decided to create a new one. And almost right away, my dashboard now said step 2 in progress. All right, so far so good. Then a few days later, I got this email which didn't make a lot of sense to me. This email is to notify you that you'll need to accept YPP terms again once your channel is eligible for the program. The YPP application process, your channel, watch time, and subscriber count are not impacted. The rest of the email just kind of explains there's really nothing for me to do, and there's nothing really I did wrong. It was kind of just a notification, and that was about it. So I kind of really wasn't sure what to do there other than just continue to wait, which is what the email said to do. So I waited. So I kept waiting and got frustrated. Several weeks went by, still no more emails, no changes on my dashboard and YouTube Studio, no nothing. So I looked around in YouTube Studio for some help options, and there's not much, but there is that feedback option on the lower left. So I tried that and even sent in some screen snaps and basically said, hey, if I'm missing something, please tell me so I can get it fixed and we can move on. But I never heard anything back. And then in the upper right, there's a little help button, but that too wasn't too much help. That just kind of gives you some basic categories of things to pick through, and then it will guide you to either some community forums about those topics or just some knowledge base articles about the monetization process in general, but not specifically the problem I was having. So both of those options really weren't that great. Once you're monetized, you do have access to chat support within YouTube Studio. And that would have been great, except I was not monetized because I was in this stupid problem. So I couldn't get chat support from YouTube or anywhere else to try and figure out what in the world's going on with my account. I did lots of Google searches, and that too just kind of led me to all the same information, the same community forums and the same knowledge base articles. Not much help there either. So I went to AdSense.com to see if anything was there on my account that was being set up, and all I had was this waiting page saying that it too is in progress and there's nothing I can do except wait. There's nothing missing, nothing they're waiting for me on, just wait. So I kept waiting. So I thought, well, I make how-to content for YouTube. I make woodworking and DIY videos. Certainly someone has made a video on how to fix this step 2 in progress problem. And boy, was I right. There are quite a few videos about there on this topic. But there's one major problem. I'll show you. So we're on YouTube and we're going to search for monetization, step 2, in progress. That's the issue I'm having. So here are all the results, which are quite a few, but the problem is all of these are in Hindi. None of these are in English. And they all claim to fix the problem and have it solved and everything, but again, none of them are in English. So it seems this is a big problem in other parts of the world But apparently it never happens to people in North America because no one who speaks traditional North American languages has ever made a video about it. So I watched a bunch of them anyways, just to see if I could kind of piece together what they were doing, because they did a lot of things on screen and lots of screen captures on what they were doing. And I followed along as best I could. And it looked like what they're basically doing is closing their current AdSense account and then creating a new one. And I had seen somewhere on a forum something similar about usually this step 2 in progress problem means that you've tried to create a second AdSense account under the same Google account. But I didn't have a previous AdSense account. So I thought, well, let me just dig around and see what I can find anyways. Well, sure enough, I did have an old AdSense account from like 10 years ago on some blogger site that I never touched, never did anything with, over a decade ago. So I went in and deleted and closed every reference I could find in my Google account and in anything related to AdSense. Shut it down completely and accepted all the terms and everything of shutting down those accounts. And then I created a new AdSense account right away. But unfortunately, still weeks and weeks go by and nothing ever changed. No errors inside YouTube Studio. It just keeps saying in progress, no matter what, for weeks at a time. So in one of these Hindi videos, the guy had a lot of on-screen graphics that were in English. It wasn't totally helpful, but there was one thing that stuck out that changed my path a little bit. So as he's walking through this process of closing an existing AdSense account and then creating a new one, he put up this graphic on the screen that said, wait several hours. And I thought, oh, okay, well, I haven't tried that yet. So I went back through the process of disconnecting AdSense and closing that profile 100%. And then I did nothing after that for several hours. And sure enough, about 4 hours later, in my YouTube Studio on the monetization page, step 2 now said error. That was fantastic after seeing it say in progress for several months. I'm finally getting somewhere now, right? Let's hope so. So I went back to AdSense, set up a whole new account just like I had done before. Now YouTube Studio once again said step 2 in progress. So I'm kind of back to where I was, but at least I got a little bit better experience than I had before. I felt like this time something was actually moving. Again, weeks go by and my AdSense page is also giving me the same big banner that says your account is in progress and we're working on it and we'll let you know as soon as it's done. I'm kind of back where I was. Eventually I get invited to join this Facebook group of other woodworking YouTubers. And some of them already had channels that were monetized. Now, remember I said once your channel's monetized, you have chat support inside YouTube Studio. So I reached out to one of my new Facebook friends and explained the situation. And I said, hey, do you mind if we get on a Zoom call or whatever? And in your YouTube Studio, you can get on chat support and tell them what's going on with my channel and see if we can get anywhere. He said, yeah, man, no problem. Let's do that. So we did pretty much right away. He opened the chat session on his computer. One of the first things they said was, we can't talk to you about this channel because you're not a manager of that channel. So let's do that. That's an easy fix. Let's make him a manager of my channel. Here's how you do that. In YouTube Studio, under Settings, then under Permissions, you can invite right here. So then you just put in the name of your new friend. And then what kind of access you want to give them. Manager is the access that we needed in my situation. Keep in mind, anyone you make a manager can do anything on your channel. Delete content, add content, whatever. Just keep in mind who you're granting this access to if you're going to take this approach. So once my new Facebook friend accepted the manager invitation from my channel, it took about 24 hours for that to fully take effect. So we tried chat support again the next day. And unfortunately, we just got a whole bunch of copy and paste type answers that basically said, my channel is in the content review phase and it's in the queue with, of course, millions of other channels, and it's just a matter of time. That didn't sound right because the content review happens after AdSense is all connected. So I don't think that was correct. I don't think we got to the right people. You know how tech support works. As long as you get to the right person who knows how to look at things and knows how to figure problems out, you're in good shape. But if not, you're kind of just lost and stuck calling again. So here comes the next thing I messed up. While I was digging through some old emails trying to find anything that I had missed or something that I was supposed to do, I found this old email from AdSense saying there were still a few items that I still had to fill out. So I had no idea whether my channel was going to be making a few pennies or a few nickels. So I didn't bother with any of the tax stuff or bank stuff. Well, apparently that has to be completed before your AdSense account is considered complete. I messed that up. So I went right away, straight in, got those things filled out, got my bank account connected and verified, got all my tax information entered and verified, double checked everything in my Google account. All these settings, everything in there that can be filled out, I made sure it was filled out. However, still stuck step 2 in progress for weeks and weeks. Still not done yet. I didn't want to bother my first friend again, so I decided to bother a new friend. So same thing, I made him a manager of my channel. We got on a Zoom call and explained the situation. This time we were more specifically asking about my AdSense account, since that seemed to really be the issue. Again, just more kind of copy and paste answers saying that make sure everything's filled out and keep waiting. So we gave it about a week and then we tried again. And each time we knew exactly what questions they were going to ask. So we got a little more specific with our questions and our information. And I also had everything ready, like my AdSense publisher ID, things like that we knew they were going to be asking for. So this time we chatted for a little bit. They said, okay, we not sure what's wrong. We're going to continue this case over email. I thought, oh man, this sounds like a different dead end. Just a new black hole where this is going to go and I'm never going to hear from them again. So we asked, okay, sure, no problem. How soon can we expect to hear something via email? And they said, we will give you an update every day. So every 24 hours, there will be some kind of an update, whether it's resolved or not. That sounds incredible. Again, we've been through this before. I think we just happened to find the right people who know what to look for. We did get responses every day, which was great. And then just out of nowhere, they sent an email that says, okay, we kicked it over to our internal support and they've cleared up the issue. Your AdSense is now approved and connected. Wow. So I went straight into YouTube Studio and checked it out. Sure enough, step 2 said it was complete. And now step 3, the content review was in progress. I know from talking to other YouTubers that usually takes just a few days. That was the case for me, just a couple of days, and that was complete. And that was it. I was done. My monetization process was complete and I could finally enable ad serving on my videos. So again, what was the final resolution to step 2 in progress? Well, it was a matter of finding an existing YouTuber who had been monetized already, who could get on chat support together about the issue on my channel. I know that's not a great answer. I don't even know if that's helpful to you or if you have that same opportunity. I hope you do, but I can tell you that worked for me. But I can also tell you there were things that I clearly messed up in the beginning. One, I tried to open a second AdSense account. That was dumb. I should have looked more clearly in all of my Google settings to see if I already had an AdSense account or not. That probably would have changed everything had I done that correctly. And then secondly, I didn't fill out the tax and bank information right away. I decided to wait thinking, maybe I'm not even going to make any money here. What's the point? Well, apparently they were waiting on that. But again, nothing really said that inside AdSense or YouTube Studio. It was a random email that came several weeks later that said, make sure you fill this out. Again, definitely things on my end, but also not a lot of very clear communication or milestone steps on Google's side. So that's it. I hope this is helpful. I'd love for you to check out my other videos if you're interested in maker and DIY type stuff. Otherwise, you guys have a great day.